Welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Amazon Flex app works. A gig delivery platform that connects independent drivers with flexible delivery blocks from Amazon using their own vehicles. It highlights how block-based scheduling, utility features, and app navigation all contribute to the driver experience. After installing the app and completing the background check and onboarding process, drivers can view available delivery blocks in their region, reserve shifts, and see earnings estimates. During a block, drivers scan packages, follow in-app navigation to delivery points, and confirm drop-offs using proof of delivery scans. The app also tracks earnings, history, and driver performance ratings based on timely completion and accuracy. Pros of the Amazon Flex app include its flexibility, in which drivers can select blocks that fit their schedule. Payments are sent twice weekly, and Amazon provides basic commercial liability coverage during active deliveries. However, notable cons include rising fuel and vehicle maintenance costs, lack of benefits as drivers are classified as independent contractors, and intense competition for blocks, which makes it hard to work consistently. The app itself often suffers from GPS navigation issues, route inefficiencies, frequent crashes, and confusing delivery instructions. These tech failures can lead to wasted time and lower earnings. Recent driver feedback shows a mix of experiences. Many appreciate the ability to schedule morning or afternoon shifts and enjoy the 2-day pay schedule. However, others report excessive driving distances between stops, outdated routing leading to inefficient loops, and numerous app glitches such as freezes during scan confirmation or navigation dead ends. Some drivers say support is slow or unhelpful when resolving issues, like bank account verification or app freezes. In conclusion, the Amazon Flex app may be a useful side hustle option for drivers in high-demand areas who value flexible scheduling and prompt pay. However, rising vehicle costs, app instability, unpredictable block availability, and minimal support mean it may not be reliable as a sole income source. Interested users should start cautiously and track their net earnings after expenses before depending on it long term. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.